Okay, I don't even know what take this is anymore. Take 4. Across the Mountains, row 1, take 4. Okay guys, my name is Dan Yang and I just wanted to take this opportunity to come on and speak to everyone and thank everyone for the incredible support we got in 2022. I know you might see my face and recognize me from my funny Facebook videos, and although I love telling jokes and I love making you guys all smile, this is actually where my passion lies. I've been a filmmaker for the last 12 years. I love telling stories and I love making engaging content. In that time, I've always followed these large media companies like Vice, Vox, Bloomberg, Wall Street, Munchies, and I always ask myself, well, why aren't monk stories being shared on these platforms? And that led me to the next question I asked myself, which was, why can't I do it? Why do I have to wait for someone else to tell my story? And that really was the genesis of Across the Mountains. And from there, we made our first video with Billy Lohr, a young monk shaman based out in Eau Claire, Wisconsin. As soon as we finished that video, I immediately recognized how much of a need there was for content like this. The monk community really wants refreshing, engaging, and relevant stories that are told. And so in 2023, I promised that I will continue to make engaging, relevant, and refreshing stories for all of you guys around the world to view. But I can't do it alone. I'm going to need all the support I can get. So how can you support me? Or how can you support this channel? Well, it's simple. The first step is to like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube, and share and comment on all of our content. Next, you can support us monetarily by purchasing some merch, like this t-shirt, or like this hoodie, huh? Hi, 可不要. So you can purchase some merchandise on our brand new website that we're launching today. From there, you can find all of our video archives as well as our merchandise, and you can also donate to us if you don't want to purchase any merchandise. Last but not least, and the most important, is for you to share your stories with us. On our website, if you hit the Contribute tab, you will be able to pitch a story to us. If you or someone you know has a story that is important and that you want it to be told, consider pitching a story to us. Once you pitch a story to us, we'll receive a direct email with your story outline and your contact information. From there, we'll reach out to you and we'll get planning on your next video. So guys, I just want to, again, thank you for the incredible year that 2022 has been. And I can't wait to share more stories with you guys in 2023. So thank you, everyone. And I can't wait to see what 2023 has in store for all of us.